Welcome to IGCSE ICT Chapter 20 Data Analysis. Task 20I. Open the file you saved in Task 20H. Add a new level category into cell D2. Place formulae in cells D3 to D21 to display very experienced for employees with 10 or more years experience. Otherwise, to display not experienced. So what we are going to do is that if a certain employee in the table is more than or equals to has a experience that is more than or equals to 10 years, then the category will be very experienced. And for those that are less than 10 years, the category is going to be not experienced. So we are trying to categorize the employees based on their level of experiences in this particular analysis. So first, without wasting time, let's quickly open the file. Task 20H that we saved in our previous video tutorial. So this particular file, I will first of all make sure that I make everything to be fully visible. Alright, so this is cell D2, as you can see here now, and what I'm supposed to add here is this category. Okay, so I'm going to define the category in cell D2. And here in this D2, I will just write a category, and I will make use of the if function. For those of you that don't know how to make use of the if function, you should be ready to watch my tutorial on data analysis. By the way, what we are doing is, what we are solving here in this playlist is the tasks that are involved in data analysis. All the tasks that you can think about in data analysis are what we are just doing. The tutorials are not actually here. This is not the tutorial about a certain function in data analysis, but how to carry out specific tasks that you might face something that is similar to it in your IGCSE examination. So basically we are just executing some task here. So what we are going to do, we are first going to use the if function. If function accepts 3 arguments. So we have if here, and the first argument is the logical test. What is the logical test we are going to test now? We are going to take the cell that contains the number of years, alright, which is this particular cell, and make sure that if it is greater than or equal to 10, alright, then separate with comma. We are going to add our true statement, that is the statement that is going to be seen, which is a very experienced for those that are greater than or equal to 10, very experienced, alright. And another one is the value for the false. So we have not experienced. This particular value will become visible if the so-called years, number of years, is not greater than or equal to 10. So we have not experienced. Okay, so then enter. Now you can see we have already not experienced because the value here is 3, and 3 is not equal to 10 or greater than 10. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to replicate the function across the rows. So we can have this is not experienced, this is very experienced because 12 is greater than 10, this not experienced, not experienced, not, and so on and so forth. So this is how to execute this task. Before you do any other thing, you make sure that you save it as task 20I. Very important. So you save as task 20I, and you are done with this particular task. So thanks for watching. I will see you in our next video. In our next video, we shall be working on task 20J. So just remain tuned in and ensure that you follow along with the video as you do your own. If you don't have the source file, you just alert me in the comment box, then I can advise you on what to do.